Hey guys, welcome to another Hot Tip Tuesday video. I'm finally back at it, and today I'm going to show you how to look after your stainless steel bash plates. Now sometimes what happens, it doesn't rust completely, but it is surface rust starting to build up on the bash plates. So all you got to do, you don't even need to scrub it off. All you need to do is buy the Autoglym Magma edition. So yeah, it's just used for iron and paintwork, wheels, and even glass, and to make it spotless basically. But yeah, very excited to show you how to do it. Simply spray on and rinse off. So without further ado, let's get into it. Rightio, so I'm not sure if you can see, I've actually done it a couple of weeks ago, but the rust has already started to come back on the surface. So as you can see, there's a tiny bit of build-up around the edges. So yeah, essentially just take out your Autoglym Magma, and now we're just gonna treat it. So yeah, all you gotta do is spray it, and let's see what happens. Well, you wouldn't believe what just happened. My camera died, so I'm back to the trusty old phone. But as you can see, guys, it is eating off the iron, so that is pretty good. It's very simple. You don't have to, scrape it with anything else. You literally just spray it on, and it eats out all the iron out of the bash plate. You can even use it for your paintwork. So if you see any like surface rust on your car or any other part of your car, just spray it on, and it will literally just eat it off. And yeah, as easy as that. Just look at it. It's pretty good. So all we're going to do now is just spray it off and see what the end result looks like. And yeah, but I'm pretty stoked. The chemical is working really well. Let me show you. Another cool thing that I found as well with this magma is let's say if you welded outside on your driveway and you made a mess on your driveway, it's like it looks rusty basically, or just the iron that lays on your driveway makes a mark, then you can just spray this on and will actually eat it off as well. So I'll do a time lapse and show you guys how quickly it reacts. It's pretty good. Well, there you go, guys. So as you can see, it is a super strong chemical that is good for multiple purposes. But yeah, I'm very satisfied with it, that it took all the rust away on the bash plates and even on the driveway, which is so cool. So yeah, definitely go and buy it if you want to remove some iron. I highly recommend it. And yeah, happy forward driving, guys, and happy cleaning on the bash plates. Have a good one. See ya. Bye.